What's going on, YouTube? Yep, back working on old red today. This will be part 2 of the dash. I went to Home Depot and got some stuff, and well, I probably shouldn't go to Home Depot when I got money on me. Anyway, I bought myself a nice 1/2-inch corded drill because I'm tired of that drill's not quite big enough. It's a 3/8, so I bought this 1/2 inch because I'm tired of batteries running out. And I've been needing a Dremel for a while, so I went ahead and got a Dremel. So, and I got some other stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and start cutting some more holes in this thing. Stereo in here. Let's go look. My old Pioneer stereo that I'll use because I'm just gonna use a single DIN radio. I'm not gonna use this one, but I'm gonna get me a decent Pioneer stereo, single DIN, and I can use that to cut out the hole for it. So we'll get into this today, and we'll see some videos of stuff. All right, guys, I'll be back. All right, so we got the radio laid out. Switch this. There's where the radio is gonna sit. So we'll get that cut out, and then I just gotta drill a hole, and then I gotta cut out for that wiper. And I need to drill out over here for a button, or not a button, but a switch for the nitrous to come on. So, let's see if we can get some video of me actually cutting this. We're going to talk about the Dremel 3000. I got this so I could clean up the burrs and everything off of this. Nice little Dremel tool. I've never actually owned a Dremel, but I've used them at work and whatnot. And it comes with what looks like a wire wheel, polishing stones, some sandpaper wheels, stone wheel, but it comes with a drill bit too. I don't know what this is. Feels like a drill bit. Yep, that's a little drill bit. And I got my wrench down here, which I'm going to need this in a second. That's actually what I was digging in there for. Okay, we don't quite need that. I can break shit. It's brand new shit, I can break shit. Let me get that back together. I think that's for doing wood and stuff. But what I want to do with it is I bought some of these. The D burrs. Don't forget, you always need a good knife. But anyway. You know, they're so worried about people stealing shit that they make it difficult for when you buy something, you get it home, to get it out of the package. Completely destroy the package. Now that's a carbide bit. See if we can keep that in there. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use this to round off all these edges. Sorry if you can hear my wife and kids in the background. They're just in the house though. Anyway, okay, so we got that set up. Got to unpackage this for the first time. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go around all these holes and stuff that I cut yesterday and very gently clean them up. As I'm sure that this bit will just eat through this aluminum. Okay, so let's see how this thing works. We'll go slow. Well guys, I've taken the dash as far as I can take it right now. I gotta get it over and get it wrapped. It's cleaned up, it's ready to go. All the holes are drilled in it. I'm happy with everything. So I gotta take it and get it wrapped, and then I can bring it back and I can wire it. And then set up my plug for the truck. I had to figure out a different way to do the heater on it. I'm actually going to go get a newer heater valve that's vacuum actuated and put that in there so I can have a vacuum switch. I can just turn on the heat, then turn on the fan, because it's going to be too complex to try and find either a heater controls or to get those heater controls that are in there to work right. So that's what I'm going to do. But like I said, it's the end of the day. I'm going to go in here and chill out for a little bit. So take it easy, guys. Later.